The PNP assures there will be no discrimination against so-called third sex in the National Police Force. Again, here's Alvin Baltazar.
While the PNP has been very open in expressing that they welcome gays inside the police institution, they are convinced that some of their members who belong to what dubbed as third sex are still undecided to come out in the open. Superintendent Lucio Rosaros, acting Chief Directorial Staff of the PNP Chaplain Service, said that there are indeed those who are suffering from identity crisis. Father Rosaroso pointed out that there is nothing wrong if they have colleagues who might be gays or lesbians, and that problem only arises when they are committing immoral deeds which would not only compromise their personality but the image of the PNP as well.
Hindi lumalaki pero nakikita namin. The way they walk. So hindi sabihin nga bakla siya na wala na siyang natin siya, i-frown down natin siya, the same dignity, the same person, no?
The police priest stressed that those who have questionable identities would not make them a lesser person as long as they preserve their dignity not only as an individual but also as part of the National Police. However, Father Rosaroso said that they cannot force one to come open but assures that their office is always available and they are just waiting for someone's confession.
Sa observation na sa tingin natin parang, 'di ba, effeminate pero hindi din alam, no? Observation lang tayo, we cannot judge people. It's a confessional matter already, so I am not obliged to divulge.
The police priest assures that there is no discrimination among the officials and personnel of the PNP as equal rights is being observed in the institution in the name of gender sensitivity. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.